In the beginning, we will open some settings. We will start with sales and receivables setup. You can open it from financial management module. I used search. I will go through the settings that are needed in the sales module. I will show also some of them, how to use it in the system. Discount postings means how system will treat discounts. When you choose all discounts, system will use additional accounts for different discounts in the sales. So we have invoice discounts and line discounts, and you can choose all discounts. In these three options, system will use additional accounts for posting those discounts. You can find them in general posting setup. For example, for domestic customers, we have sales invoice discount account, sales line discount account. So these accounts will be used when posting all discounts into the system. You can also choose no discounts. In this case, system will calculate the price and then it will just post it without any other accounts. Credit warnings means that when you use customers that has some credit limit or overdue balance exceeded, it will give you a warning. So let's take one of the customers. I will show you how this looks. So we have this credit limit. I will put 1,000 for it. And if I create sales order, I can use it function here, new document, and I will just confirm with another field. I will get two notifications that I have overdue balance and some credit limit exceeded. But of course I can proceed with the order and document anyway. I can also post it, but I have those two warnings. Sales. Stockout warning means that system will show me also warnings about low stock. So if I use some sales orders, I will try to find the same one. I hope this is it. So if I use item and I will pick some items that I don't have on the stock, or I have too less, system will give me some warnings. If I will use show details, system will show me the shortage. With the shipment on invoice option, you can tell the system if you need automatically created shipment when you post an invoice. So if you don't use sales orders but only sales invoices, you can automatically create sales shipment when posting sales invoice. Let's try that. I will pick Canon group. I will put some dates. No, I don't need any dates. I will pick item 1, and some price. So if I go and post it, and I will open posted invoice. By the way, I can of course print it from here. And open it. In this case we have some word layout. I can also use navigate to see all the entries. As we see, we have some value entries. This is the entries connected with our sales and the warehouse. So now if I close all those and go to posted documents, posted sales shipment, and the last one I will sort it with the number, and the last one I will just open it, you will find our spokes, one spoke, shipment. I can also print it from here. So we have additional warehouse document automatically created with the system. If I will turn off this option, system will not create warehouse document. The sales invoice will be the warehouse document. It will be in item ledger entries. Return receipt on credit memos, the same, but on the return orders or on the return side. So if I use credit memos only and have this option on, system will create return receipt. If I turn that off, system will just post credit memo, and this credit memo will go to item ledger entries. Invoice rounding, if this option is on, system will use some invoice rounding from general ledger setup. Here we have some rounding precision for amounts and unit amounts. You can check it here. Default item quantity, if it's on, system will give 1 for any item line. Create item from item number and create item from description. Those two options can create an item when you cannot find your item in your item cards. So if you create or use sales orders and you will put item that cannot be found by number or by description, and you go for the next column, system will ask you, do you want to create new item card for this number? I will not do it. Copy customer name to entries means that in customer ledger entries you will find customer name. In standard you will not have this name, only number, but if you turn that option on, system will update customer ledger entry with the customer name, and all new entries will have this name. So if I go to customer ledger entries, you will find the customer name column, and in next documents you will have it also filled in.